How to buy Tesla stocks on Etoro app in easy fast way. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Tesla stocks in easy fast way. So first thing we do, we go to Etoro, and as you can see this is the home page. Now you go to the watch list here down below, and then search for Tesla. Here is it. Click on it, click on Tesla, and after that click on trade. Now you need to choose the amount of money that you want to invest. You can make it up or down from here. After you choose the amount, click set order, and then click choose your payment method from here. After you choose your payment method, click deposit, and everything will be done. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.